Hello, today I'm going to show you how to clean a clogged printer from the printer maintenance menu of your Canon G2010 1010 or 3010. Sometimes you get printouts like this. You can see it. This happens when you kept your printer for a long time without getting printouts. And also, if you print until the ink run out, and after filling this happens, you can see it here. And when you get a nozzle check, sometimes it may be comes like this. And I'm going to show you how to clean this up. And this is 2010 printer. First check you have ink correctly in the ink tanks, because to do a cleaning there should be enough ink in it. First, from your computer control panel, go to devices and printers. And it will show your printer there. Right, here it is, my printer Canon 2010. Just right click on it and select printing preferences, and there you can go to maintenance menu. Right, here it is, and click maintenance and preferences. First you can go to nozzle check and click it and click print check pattern, and you will get a nozzle check print. And you can see this like this if your nozzle is clogged, right? And after getting the nozzle check, my printer gives me like this nozzle check in the first time, and you can see the magenta color is not coming correctly. You can see white lines there. So what you have to do is do a deep clean first. There you can see deep cleaning, and do a nozzle check again. And if it's not solve the problem, you just go to bottom there, ink flush. At last starting flush, you just click OK. And the problem is in your color inks, that means cyan, magenta, yellow, you just click color. And if it exists in your black as well, you just click all colors and click start. Start ink flush it asks, so you said OK. Right. I'm cancelling this because I've already done it. And I took I'll take another nozzle check pattern. Right, see it when it comes here. Right, use my new nozzle check pattern after doing ink flush. You can see it correctly. There's no any use with the check pattern. So it's done now. I'll do a print again of the printer. Same printout. Print. Okay, this is after giving a powering flush, and you can see the difference. Right, that's it. It is how to clean up your printer head from a printer maintenance menu. Thank you.